If you love someone, do you stay silent while they walk into heartbreak? My name is Claire. I'm the older sister, and for as long as I can remember, I've always felt like it was my job to protect Lily. Lily is 27 now. She has just finished university, landed a great job, and moved into a lovely apartment our parents helped her buy. Everyone says she's doing so well. She's smart, confident, independent, and beautiful in that effortless, quiet way. Our parents are so proud of her, our father especially. He looks at her like she's the light of his world. And for a long time, I thought she was that light too, until I found out her secret. Lily is seeing a married man. The first time I saw the message on her phone, I felt like my heart stopped. It wasn't an accident. It wasn't just one time. It was something real, and it had been going on for months. I sat on my bed that night, staring at the ceiling, wondering what to do. My chest hurt. My hands were cold. How could the girl I've always tried to protect be walking into something so wrong? She doesn't need someone like that. She's not weak. She's not someone who needs to steal love from someone else's home. But love doesn't always follow rules. For days, I couldn't sleep. I kept picturing Dad's smile when he talks about her, Mom calling her our golden girl, and in my mind, I kept hearing this voice. If they find out, it will break them. So I stayed quiet, but silence is heavy. It grows louder each day, until one night, I couldn't hold it anymore. I sat Lily down in the living room. My hands trembled as I said, I know about him. She looked at me, frozen for a moment. Then, quietly, she said, It's my life, Claire. This is none of your business. It felt like a slap. But I didn't raise my voice. I didn't want to fight. I just wanted to save her from pain she didn't see coming. He's married, Lily. He has a wife. He's not free. She looked away, but she didn't deny it. She whispered, I love him. He loves me. He says he's going to leave her. That's when I felt true fear. Not because she was angry, but because she believed him. Men like that always say they'll leave, I said, but they don't. I couldn't stop myself. I said, if you keep seeing him, I'll tell his wife. She stood up, shaking with anger. Her voice cracked as she shouted, You're just old-fashioned. You don't understand. I'd never heard her speak to me like that. Never. I love you, I said, as tears filled my eyes. I just don't want this life for you. But she didn't listen. She walked out. And for the first time in my life, I felt like I had lost my sister. Weeks passed. She didn't call. I didn't either. I kept her secret from our parents, but it was like carrying a stone in my chest. Every night, I thought about her, about how happy she used to be, about the girl who loved books and painted flowers on her bedroom walls. Where did that girl go? One evening, I sat in the kitchen, staring at my phone. My thumb hovered over her name. I wanted to call, but I didn't know what to say anymore. But I missed her. I missed her laugh. I missed hearing her say, Claire, can I borrow your sweater? So I dialed. Her voice was quiet when she answered. Can we talk? I asked. I'm busy, she replied. Please, I miss you. After a pause, she whispered, I'll come tomorrow. The next day she came over. She looked tired, not physically, but inside, like the light in her was fading. I made tea, and we sat at the table. There was silence between us, but it wasn't cold. It was heavy, full of unsaid things. I reached for her hand. "I love you. I'm worried about you." She sighed. "I'm fine, Claire. Why can't you understand?" "Because I know how this ends," I said. "Because I want you to be happy. And this man, he's not the one. He loves me. Then why is he still with his wife?" She didn't answer, but her eyes were sad. "You deserve someone who is free, Lily. Someone who can love you with their whole heart." I saw something shift in her face, pain maybe, or doubt. "I love him, Claire. I can't stop." "Love shouldn't hurt," I whispered. "Real love is honest. It's kind." She pulled her hand away. "I don't want to talk anymore." She stood up, grabbed her coat. "Don't call me again about this," she said before walking out the door. More weeks passed. I didn't hear from her. Our parents kept asking why she was so distant. I just smiled, made up excuses. Until one night, my phone rang. Her name lit up the screen. "Claire, can I come over?" Her voice was small, hollow. "Of course," I said. When she arrived, she didn't say much. I made her favorite pasta. We sat down, and for a long time she stared at her plate. Then she said it. "He lied to me." My heart cracked. "What happened?" "He said he would leave his wife, but he didn't. Now he won't even answer my calls." Her hands shook. Tears welled in her eyes. "I thought he loved me. I believed him." I reached for her hand. This time she didn't pull away. "You're not alone, Lily. I'm here. I've always been here." She cried, not loudly, just quiet, slow tears that broke my heart. "I feel so stupid," she said. "You're not stupid. You're human. You wanted love. That's not wrong." She leaned into me, her head on my shoulder. "I feel broken, Claire." "You'll heal," I whispered. "You are strong. And one day, you'll find someone who gives you the kind of love you deserve." For the first time in a long while, I saw her breathe deeply, and in that moment, I knew she would be okay. I kissed her forehead. "I love you." She whispered back, "Thank you, Claire. A sister's love is not perfect, but it stays. Even when it's hard, even when it hurts, it stays."